If you are in your 20s or 30s and you're ambitious, then this video is for you. I'm talking to the people who want more out of life, more freedom, more money, more impact. But maybe you're stuck, you're unsure where to start, or even wondering if you're doing it all wrong. Let me give you the clarity I wish someone gave me. Hi, my name is Davies. I run a pressure washing business now, but it took years of trial and error. In my 20s, I chased jobs I didn't love. In my 30s, I started to realize if you want a different life, you have to build it yourself. So, whether you're in university, working a 9 to 5, or thinking of starting a business, this video will give you a roadmap. So, let us start. Number 1, ambition without direction is a trap. Just being motivated isn't enough. You need a clear target. Do you want freedom, flexibility, 6 figures? Write it down. If your ambition isn't aligned with your daily actions, you're just spinning your wheels. 2, start building skills, not just dreams. Ambition without skills is frustrating. Learn skills that create income, like sales, digital marketing, content creation, negotiating, or customer service. In a service business like pressure washing that I own, your ability to sell and satisfy clients matters more than your logo or your equipment. 3, stop waiting for permission. You don't need a perfect plan. You need action. Start that YouTube channel. Launch that business. Your first try won't be perfect, but momentum is more powerful than motivation. 4, you don't have to follow the traditional path. College, 9 to 5, retirement. That's not the only route. The internet has changed everything. Freelance, build a side hustle, sell services, learn how to use AI to your advantage. The new economy rewards problem solvers, not just degree holders. 5, you have time, but not forever. You're young, yes, but don't waste that season. Your 20s and 30s are when you have the most energy, the flexibility, and the time to fail and try again. Use it wisely. Start small, learn faster, and build something real. 6, learn to think like an owner, not just a worker. Even if you're employed right now, think like a business owner. How does your boss make money? How does value get exchanged? Start thinking in terms of problems and solutions. That's how you will become valuable in any industry. 7, build your life around your values. Success is not just money, it is alignment. What do you care about? Design your work and your lifestyle around that. That is where real fulfillment lives. If you are in your 20s or 30s and you feel like the world is moving fast, don't panic. This is your time to plant seeds. Start right now, fail fast, and don't stop building. The life you want isn't handed to you, it is built brick by brick. If this message speaks to you, drop a comment below. I am building my own future. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos on business, growth, and creating a life that actually matters.